5 to 6 weeks now. And the reason I got into the water was because I had little vitamin deficiencies, and I thought that will help me improve my gut, and maybe then the vitamins in my body could be better. I'm a vegetarian as well. So my B12 was very low. So what used to happen because of that is that I went for a checkup and they said the B12 is low, that's why my nerves were getting affected near the neck, it was cervical. So because of which I used to get stiffness on my shoulders. After about 3 weeks to a month, my stiffness is gone for sure, and I don't have it anymore. I feel more active. The first thing I felt was feeling active. I drink more water because I used to not drink much water, but I like the taste of water, so I drink more water. That's on me. And in the family, my kids had a little bit of cold and cough, like normally they used to have, which is so normal in Dubai. So when you have the cold cough, it's like you take the medicine or do not take the medicine. You still have it for like 3 or 5 days. So this time they had the cold cough. I was actually I was trying to observe because I'm drinking the water. So I realized that they were really fine. In like 2 days, they were ready. They could go back to school. They didn't have to be at home. They were just off for 1 day, and they were back to school the next day. So these were my little things in a month, which I.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.